Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and I'm coming to you today, again, from the local public library, using their media lab to record this because, well, there's a lot going on at my house. I normally record and build my videos in the basement of my home, and right outside on the street there was water gushing up between cracks. So there's some sort of pipe busted. I believe it's the pipe going to my house, and the water comes into my house right in the side of the basement that I do my working on. So there's a gushing, rushing water sound, there's jackhammers outside, there's a lot of construction going on, and doing a video just isn't going to happen. So that's why I'm here. But today on 3D Metal Model News, again this week not a whole lot to talk about, but I did notice earlier this week some new Transformer models are showing up on Fascinations Coming Soon website page. These are not your normal Transformers like the ones they've already released in the past. These are more along the lines of what it appears to be more Legends models, and which is kind of neat. And I know there's a lot of people that love these, a lot of people that don't really like the looks of them. They're simpler models, they're a little bit cutesy, they're interesting to collect. I look forward to them. Some people have shown some rather fascinations and attraction to certain models or others, but they're showing up on the Coming Soon page. No idea when they'll actually be here. That's kind of stuff, you know, we still have the Looney Tunes models that have to come out, but who knows if the Looney Tunes will come first or the Transformers will come first. But that's new on their page. And just a quick look here, they've got Starscream, let me say that again, Starscream, Soundwave, Shockwave, Optimus Prime, Megatron, and Bumblebee, all showing up as sort of Legends models. I don't believe it actually says Legends, but yeah, that's what it looks like. These are going to be part of the collection of. Also keep your eye out on Fascinations or Metal Earth's Instagram page. They've been hinting at a new Instagram Metal Earth contest, probably some sort of photo challenge from the hints that they're given, and I will certainly post a link in the description down below where you can subscribe to their page or keep an eye on their page. Looks like they're getting ready to do another contest, an easy way to get some free models, or a fun way to get some free models, luck of the draw. So check that out. On a more personal channel, news to note, I am still working on the MU Megatron video, speaking of Transformers, and I did get another section done. Unfortunately, you may have already seen on social media, there was an incident involving my SD card where several days worth of videos actually got deleted. And I've worked to try and recover them, which fortunately to no avail. I can get files back, but they don't play. I did get one file to play, but it won't import into my video editing software, and I can't do anything with it. So it looks like what I'm going to do is have to order another model and wait, unfortunately, for that to come in, because the part, oddly enough, it's the other arm. The first part of the other arm is very much like the first arm, so you're not missing much, but I got that part. The part that got deleted was the gun scope part in his hand. Very much like to get that, so I'm going to redo that part, and that's unfortunately going to delay things, especially with me planning on going out of town here this weekend to tend to some business down in the south. It is unfortunately going to delay things, but if I find the time to put up some of the video that I've got, I certainly will do that. But I'm working on it. Just unfortunate incident and a lot going on, and it just lost some of the video, and it's bound to happen. You know, I've been doing this for 3 years. It's the first time I've lost video, so I guess I'm doing pretty good. And I can make it up again. It's just going to take some time, so bear with me. I am working on it, and I'm still got more models to do. Going to be a little bit of a break while I go tend to some business down at the family's house, and I'll be back next week. May even get some videos that I'm working on uploaded during that time, but I'm trying to keep things going. On a very personal note, on a health update note, I got word back yesterday from the transplant team. Had my 1-year checkup, left and right heart cath, biopsies, the whole 9 yards, Wednesday, and everything comes back good. No rejection. That's very good news. Heart pumping strong, pressures are good, looking good, and as the doctor put it, there were some lumps and bumps, but nothing to worry about. I guess there's some buildup in the arteries, but I want to say he said 20%. They don't really start worrying until it's 70. Said it may stay that way for years to come, and it may change. They'll look the next time we do one of these left heart, right heart caths and see how it is there. Right now, nothing to worry about. Everything's looking good, and I'm feeling better than I have in quite a long time. I'll leave it at that. I'll always try to put some links in the description down below. If you enjoy these videos, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep on keeping on.